In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or ban a member in your school community. This process is straightforward, but it's important to be familiar with each step to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Google and search for Skool. Once you see the search results, click on the first link. This should bring you to the Skool homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've logged in, look to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a set of arrows. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu. Here is where you can select your chosen community. Remember, it's important to be in the right community, especially if you administer or belong to several groups. After you've clicked on your desired community, the next step is to navigate to the Members section. This is usually straightforward as there's a visible tab labeled Members. This section allows you to manage the individuals within your community. Continue by clicking on Membership Settings. This is your gateway to more specific member controls, including removing or banning members. In these settings, locate the Ban from Group option. This feature is particularly useful if a member is not abiding by the community rules or needs to be removed for any other reason that aligns with your community guidelines. Now, a crucial step to note here is the option to delete the last 7 days of the member's posts. If you want to remove any of their recent activity to prevent disruptions or ensure the community's integrity, make sure you check this option. It helps maintain a clean and cohesive community environment by removing potentially offending or out-of-place content. Once you've reviewed these settings and are sure about your decision, go ahead and click Ban. It's a straightforward button, though this action is significant, so only proceed when you're certain. A member, once banned, won't be able to interact with your community any longer unless you reinstate them. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully removed or banned a member from your school community. Always ensure your actions align with your community's values and guidelines. This not only helps maintain order, but fosters a positive and respectful environment for all members. If this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and guides. Thank you for watching, and I hope you manage your community with confidence and care.